So today we will be unboxing Prada Ocean Luna Rossa. I bought this when I was on the boat on the way back from my ski trip with my school. It cost me €72 and duty free. So now we'll be opening the box to see what's inside. The box isn't too hard to open, but you might struggle at a few steps. The fragrance itself comes with a little plastic cap on the top to stop any of the fragrance leaking out. The atomizer takes 1 or 2 sprays for it to actually come out when you first use it. It's a very sweet fragrance, best to use in summer and winter. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.